Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
What did you do today?
I went to the park and read a book.
That sounds relaxing. What book are you reading?
I'm reading a mystery novel. It's really interesting.
I love mysteries. Who's the author?
It's by Agatha Christie.
Oh, I've heard of her. She's a great writer.
Yeah, her stories are always captivating.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Not really. I haven't had time to go to the movies.
We should go together sometime.
That would be fun. Let's plan it.
Definitely. How about next weekend?
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.
Great. I'll check the movie schedule and let you know.
Awesome. Looking forward to it.